Hi guys, Chef Rina here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make saltfish fritters with steamed cabbage and with some plantain. Don't forget to check out my last video, the salmon with roasted sweet potatoes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment box down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And click the bell in the right hand side to be notified for my future videos. So firstly, we're going to put our saltfish to boil in water. I left this boiling for about half an hour. I'm going to change the water and let it boil again just to take out the salt in the saltfish. So firstly, what we're going to do, we're going to prep our veg for our saltfish. So I have some sweet peppers here, some scallions, spring onions, some tomatoes and some scotch bonnet. So I'm going to start by chopping them. I usually chop them into small cubes. So once you finish chopping, you're going to place all your veg into a bowl and then we're going to set it aside until our saltfish is ready. Next we're going to start with our cabbage. We're going to mix some cabbage and carrots together and steam them down in a pot. So with the cabbage we're just going to slice it roughly. Then we're going to peel our carrots. You can chop them if you want, but I'm going to use a peeler and create ribbons, just because it looks nicer. So once we finish chopping our cabbage and carrots, we're going to put half a cup of oil into a pot, and then we're going to add our veg into it. I'm going to mix it around. Okay, so now our saltfish is ready. I've drained out the water. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to break it up. You can use a fork or you can use your hands. And then next we're going to add our veg into it. So it should look like this. Next, we're going to make the batter for it. We're going to make it all in one pot. So I'm going to add 1 cup of plain flour into it like this. And then I'm going to add some water. And I'm just going to mix it around. Okay, you don't want it too runny, it needs to be kind of thick. So this consistency is fine. Okay, so next we're going to add some seasoning to it. Firstly, we're going to add some all-purpose. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon into it. Then some paprika. And some fish seasoning. And lastly, just some curry powder. Next, we're just going to mix that all in. So now we're going to start frying our fritters. So I have some oil in a pan, and you just keep it on a medium heat. I'm going to use a tablespoon and just put some in our pan like this. So it should be a nice golden colour, like this, and then ready to come out. So in here our cabbage is ready. I added 1 Maggi cube, some all-purpose seasoning and some garlic powder, and just mixed it in.